Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest gadgets to give you the inside scoop. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Dell XPS 14 2024. Let's jump right in. The Dell XPS 14 is making waves in the laptop world with its stunning design and impressive specs. Let's start with the design. As you can see, the XPS 14 sports the iconic XPS 13 Plus design, with a sleek and luxurious finish. Whether you opt for the graphite or platinum option, you'll be greeted with a sophisticated look that stands out from the crowd. One standout feature of the XPS 14 is the unique keyboard design, featuring a lattice keyboard with no gap between the keys. It may take some getting used to, but the keys offer a satisfying typing experience. Now, let's talk about performance. The XPS 14 packs a punch with Intel's latest Core Ultra chips and the option for an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU. Whether you're tackling demanding tasks or diving into gaming, this laptop is up to the challenge. In terms of connectivity, the XPS 14 keeps it simple with 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, a micro SD card reader, and a headphone jack. Plus, it's equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 for fast and reliable wireless connections. So, what's the verdict? The Dell XPS 14 impresses with its sleek design, powerful performance, and versatile features. However, its higher price tag may be a deterrent for some. Overall, if you're in the market for a premium laptop that delivers on both style and substance, the XPS 14 is definitely worth considering. And that wraps up our review of the Dell XPS 14. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.